We are on our way to Vegas. When I say we, I mean you and me. Anyway, sunrise in the desert. Pretty beautiful. Okay, here we are. Sunrise at the Strip, Las Vegas. Today we're heading out to Hoover Dam, and then we're gonna come back and hit Fremont Street. While it's still warm in the daytime.
Because it's cold right now.
And then we're doing this amazing dinner. It's called Blackout Dining, where you eat a 7-course meal in the dark. So I am very excited for that sensory experience. You can really see how low the water is. So the recording was just saying that this is all created in celestial alignment.
To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a
Future visitors.
wheel of time. Rather half of the floor is
That shows the bridge and the dam and how high the water actually should be around those turbines. You can see from the pictures that we took how low the water was. It's actually quite sad. And right now, we are standing right in this building here in the observation tower. So it's really fascinating how low the water is. I don't think that they are even able to run the turbines right now, but it's also equally as fascinating that the water used to be as high as it is. Like, you could almost reach over the edge and touch it.